Good morning, class. I just pray that all of us are okay, such that we can go on with this. Previous weeks, we were looking at the alkali metals and then transition metals. And next, we are going to be looking at the main group elements. When you look at our periodic table, here in the S block, we have the alkali metals. Alkali elements lie here, first and second. We have alkali metals and then alkali earth metals. Then in the middle, where we have the D block elements, we have the transition metals. So this last part is where we are going to head to right now, and it is the P block elements. And in these P block elements, we call them the main group elements. We call them the main group elements simply because they have characteristics of both metals and non-metals. You'll find that most of them have properties of metals and others have properties of non-metals, just like what you have here. And among the main group elements, we have classes. They are classified into three. We have the main group metals. These are the ones that have got metallic properties in them, in the main group elements. Then we have the metalloids. These ones have both metallic and non-metallic properties in the main group elements. Then we have the non-metals. For them, they do not have anything like metallic properties in them. So today we are going to look at the main group metals, and can commonly call them the poor metals. So when you come across the poor metals, those are the main group metals. They lie under the main group elements. That is the last block of the periodic table. And these have got characteristics. Yeah, they are poor metals, and their characteristics are simply they are soft, they can be cut by a knife, like what we looked at in the alkali metals. They are weak, they have low boiling point and low melting point. They can easily boil and easily melt. They are ductile. You can mold them into different shapes to form maybe a bowl or a pipe, anything. They are all ductile. And the examples, we have aluminum, we have gallium, we have indium, we have thallium, we have lead, and then tin. And among these examples, yeah, we also have bismuth. They are here. That. Now these three have got properties that are quite similar to them, but also have properties that are not similar to them. That's why, though they are included here, we do not count them: the germanium, antimony, and polonium. So we only concentrate on aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, lead, bismuth, and tin for the poor metals or main group metals. And if you are to look at aluminium as one of them, it has got characteristics of excellent corrosion resistance. It's hard for it to rust. It is silver and white. It is light, like in terms of density. It is also soft, like what we saw as a characteristic for all the main group metals. It is malleable. It can be formed into different shapes. You can carve it, you can bend it into different shapes. And among its uses, we have it is used for airplane parts. You know that airplane parts, like especially the surfaces, are going to be very light. Because it is very light in terms of density, we can use it for that. It is also used in aluminium foil, the one which we have in our kitchens to cover different food. It is also, because it is light, it can be used as that. It is used for kitchenware simply because it takes long for it to rust. We can use it for saucepans and then frying pans and such. Then next, we are going to look at lead, which is also one of them. And in lead, it has characteristics of dull. It's dull and silver gray. It is also soft and ductile. You will take it that these characteristics, they look the same like these ones, simply because these are examples of these ones. So most of them are soft and ductile. That is the main characteristics with the poor metals. You will see whenever you search, like when you search on them, that whenever they talk about poor metals, they'll always give you that they are soft metals. Then under the uses of lead, it is widely used in batteries. So these are the two that I've looked at. And then the third one, you'll have it as your assignment, bismuth. It is the third one. And for it, you only have, you're going to look for two properties of it and then two uses of it. just get two properties of bismuth and then two uses of bismuth. That is your assignment for tomorrow, and it is due Thursday. Thank you. Good time.